Okay, just
putting a
hold it
cord
here.
Okay.
on a
Okay.
sun
So what you're gonna
umbrella
have to
for
do,
the
see, this cord
outside
is here.
requires
it's
that you
tricky
remove the
They don't
tilt
tell you
mechanism,
some of these
and then you can string the cord
do-it-yourself projects don't
down
tell you. You're going to have to
to the bottom
remove
of the
this.
sun umbrella.
Get
Otherwise,
that cord on
it
the
will
side,
not pass the
and
tilt
then
mechanism. And
You're
then
going to have to get
place
this
it back on.
in,
That's it.
in place. Okay, hold on. This is crooked, right?
It's when you think you can duplicate that, that's when it happens, huh?
Just keep videotaping, because I'll edit the videotape. Press this down. Just stay there.